Ma'am, close your eyes. Relax, shoulders relax toroga. Observe your breath. Ngakang mid kujan se. Hands in namaste in the center of the heart. Vande Gurunam Charana Ravinde Sandarshita Swatma Sukha Babode Nishreyase Jangalika Yamane Samsara Hala Hala Moha Shante Abahu Purushakaram Shankh Chakra Siddharinam Sahasra Shirsam Shvetam Pranamami Patanjalim Pranamami Patanjalim Pranamami Patanjalim Gently, we open our eyes. Okay, nice. Mayam practice togedabo mayam video on to biragadi, then it'll be really nice. Okay, I hozik spotlight se Khel Chandra da thamjarage Bombay da. This is Khel Chandra. Okay, Khel Chandra ai pan pane. Okay, Khel Chandra, all of us angang mayam lep se loina mak loina lep se in the center of the mat ki center the loin lep se ko. Ngasi di pung ama 1 hour non-stop practice tau se ba. KSH Ritika. Dadana sisa thamis main makha dane yeng dharakta na ba koi tania na se thamise camera se main thamo adu di ngak nar ro like how Tania is keeping the camera perfect. Okay, main thamsi ko camera se all right. How is it koi khong ani ki karakta foot amagi distance thamo Khel Chandra khong ani ki karakta foot amagi distance. Interlock your hands. Kut to interlock toro. Aduga mamangum the thangalo. Stretch. Turn it out. Aduga kut to mathak thangalo. Pull up. Pura body se pull up, 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 up. Aduga only the upper body twist. Right side the twist ho se. Exhale sor hondoga. Look at the right side. Inhale. Look in front. And exhale left side. Tamoja tum practice the way ani inhale, come back in the center. Exhale right side. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale left side. Inhale, come back in the center. Mathak isad pura khud ani do mathak ta sky room the pull up toro and slide down on the right side. Right side to slide to say and come back in the center and slide down to the left side. Very nice. Inhale, come back in the center, slide down right side ta. Only the t-shirt mapakatani ko khwang di lekthok tana. Come back in the center, slide down to the left side. Come back in the center da mo halasi mathak ta haipetang yengkhalo aduga fold both the knees knee ani do khajitang konsel laga come down forward bending toro come all the way down. Okay, aduga khuttu thado oba relax akoi seise khong kon be ade gita makha da kumdaro gita come down, look at the floor da yengo mayam loinamak floor da yengo, shoulder relax. Okay, minibala nice. Okay, Lashram Okendra, how's audio connect tore? Nice, I can see you. All right. Aduga, hath kamar pe and slowly come back up. And relax. Okay, and relax. Ngatang lay si ko, ngasi di kitang tao si matang da su khangaw na ba? Ay kinom hai ge ba. Si sige ko na twist to matam da ne. Ay twist to matam da. Ay na lay ko hai na. Only the upper body. Matang isi t-shirt mapa si katang twist to da. Akoy na belt pharaga di belt ki buckle se mamangum da. Just not this. Okay. Same thing. So the leg hum matam da su smile leg hum matam. T-shirt mapa. Sign na to. T-shirt mapa. All right. Yan dali ko kena budo khangai ko. Ha, tania pura hip to push out to rida ba ko. Ang tanga tang si ko ma'am. So smile leg thoga so twist to budo. Only the upper body. Upper body khak tang leg thok se. Okay. Amuka halasi everybody inhale, interlock your hands. Interlock your hands and take it up towards the sky. Inhale in the center, sore honje laga. Exhale, twist on the right side. Only the upper body. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, twist to the left side. Only the upper body. Very nice. Inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, twist to the right side. Amuka. Inhale, come back in the center. Mini bilai kuto. Nagi maning de thamo. Exhale, twist on the left side. Come back in the center. Okay, and slide down on the right side. Upper body khaktang sunena. Come back. Slide down to the left. Come back. Okay, Anjalika se am tore. Come back up. Aduga mathakta yengo. Look up and gently go all the way down. Makha chalo. And relax. Pura relax. Sore hondok pa. So ise kaim ta push to bagi kaim ta darakar lete. Easily relax your shoulders. Okay. Haath kamar pe liye. Gently come all the way up. And nice. Tap na si stretch mein amse dum to baya. Now, koi ya sing ba hip opening ki stretch ho rasi ko. Kya jandra AMY sequence ho se on the right side. Kaan ke piche haath. Okay. Swing oina. Adagi som side ta muk 2. Khonga khud ka pull up lega daba. Som side ta muk 3. Ha. Okay. Amka ho de ha na yeng si ko. Som side ta muk 4. Correct. All right. Som side ta muk 5. Yes. Yani ko hor si ko. It's very easy. Yam easy ne. See. Khonga khud ka cha harana just 1. Just 2. Just 3. Yam line up. Forcefully to bunata ba ko. First round. See, koi rib cage se open to se. Sunena very nice. Okay. Aina spotlight thamma matam na pakakanu ko. Adum spotlight ta thamake. All right. Recording to buda hayeng phajana. Horasi ko. Ka. Sore hon se aduga nervous oigano. Neck, shoulder, pura relax. Okay. And we start. Right side Khel Chandra. On the right side. 1. Kaan ke piche haath. Come back. Go to the other side. 2. Come back, go to the other side, 3. Come back, go to the other side, 4. Come back, go to the other side, 5. Come back, go to the other side, 6. Very nice. Come back, go to the other side, 7. Come back, go to the other side, 8. Come back, go to the other side, 9. Tamoy bukan maningi khong du suleng se. Come back, go to the other side, 10. Khel Chandagi makhung se hone. Come back, go to the other side, 11. Kalpana ma'am to isi chap manare. Come back, go to the other side, 12. Come on, come on. Come back, go to the other side, 13. Come back, go to the other side, 14. And come back, stop. Sunena, nice. Sunena gi man keno to yang phase ko. Lower back and come back. Khel Chandra ko. Now, second step. This was the first step. Second step sida khong ani ki character distance khajitang helalo Khel Chandra. 4 feet ki distance hamse ko. Okay. Right hand sina stomach ta thamo khel. Aduga left hand na mathakta. Kalpana ma'am ki khong ani ki character ki distance so kitang helan se. Sunena gi makha se maming ka ore ko. Nang ki khong ani character distance kitang helalo. Okay, aduga khong ani do parallel to each other like in 11 ko. Okay, aduga exhale dadana somda slide down khel chandra hip to mamang do into kanoba. Just the upper body. Very nice. Ritika gi khong ani karak tu sukatang hengalalo space ani do. Like shram okay do tamo mataki khut to straight ohen bio. Elbow dagi straight ohen bio. Yes. Aduga ay tata ke ko. She could say smile and straight ohen bio. Aduga naga smile samjan na daba. Khut ka naga se kitang distance lens ko. Yes. Come back up. Put the hands out in T. Okay. Kaya jananum lahore si ko. Right hand stomach ta. Aduga left hand up. Inhaling, take a deep breath. Exhale, go down. 1. Nice. Very nice. Come back. Maya idamu halasi. Inhaling, sor holaga. Exhale, go down. 2. Inhale, come back up. Put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 3. Inhale, come back up. Put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 4. Luncheon manais. Inhale, come back up. Put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 5. Continue the row. Kigano. Aina. Inhale, come back up. Put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 6. Inhale, come back up. Put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 7. Beautiful. Inhale, come back up. Put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 8. Inhale, come back up, put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 9. Very nice, Ritika. Inhale, come back up, put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 10. Inhale, come back up, put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 11. Inhale, come back up, put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 12. Inhale, come back up, put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 13. Last time, come back up, put the hands out. Exhale, go down. 14. See, now, second step. Me kuding mag take put the hands out. T da in T. Kya under T da? Ha. Okay. Capital T and Bipingi camera do. Dadan to see ngo makut ani mag aduga. Exhale, come down. Forward bending the law. Forward bending. Aduga makha de ying si ko. Makha de ying si crown towards the ground. Ha. Tamo looking crown towards the ground. Could yet na could kong do paraba oigi could na oigi kong paraba aduga just relax. Shoulder pura relax. Home the yang yani. Adu makha de dum yang bio mathakti yang hat pigano ngak to ko. Ngak to pura relax. Pura relax. Shoulder relax. Akoigi hamstring. Calf muscle to just feel the view ko. Easy, relax, okay? Akoi loin mag right hand do center the thumb se could yet to center the thumbaga left hand mathak the thangalaga left side the yeng biro. Twist, okay? Twist from the spine. Spine the twist tause not from the neck. 1 ngak to haigatana 2 3 very nice 4 5 6 7 8 feet firm 9 kelchandra yari ko 10 aduga mathaki khutto makha thamse makha gi khutuna mathakta change twist go to the other side khut an khong ani maha koi gi hip tuna mayai dum thambiro 10 9 8 7 6 5 Lisa increase the distance between the 2 feet Lisa dono feet ke beech mein increase the distance and gently come down. Okay, Kelchandra dudagi ne khut ani magna yet ki khong do pair se mayam aduga squat down right side ta squat down yengo dadan to isengo mayam angang mayam ha squat down right side ta all right okay come back this is right side come back 2 yang wala na khut se makha thambay come back 3. Yang tamna, no jerk. Okay, come back. 4. Very nice. Or this. Come back. 5. Aye toes mein aap se active. Okay. Come back. 6. Come back. 7. Come back. 8. Come back. 9. Last time 10. 10 you recall. Aduga gently come up. Bayaiga. See, say reduce to bayade 4 feet. Aduga hills me amonse raga toes apart. Aduga see apoi lepo matanda spine to bayade in the center. Okay, sumo squat. Come down, everybody. Okay, stay there. Come down. Nice. Here, janda khud ani do thang the same. Mayam se loin masakal leko. Take both hands out in T. All right. Stay here. Anita kitanga makada nondaro. 1. Makada 2. Inner thighs to burn togodaba. 3. Very nice. 4. 5. Sunina body do maning dekhar push tau. 6. Spine straight. 7. Bipin ki camera gi white t-shirt. The young girl. Push the body back. 7. Stay there. 8. Lunge in nice. 9. 10. Sword thing bhi adeko. 11. 12. Very nice. Tamo kitanga makada. 13. 14. 15. Very nice. 16. Adum lagi say 17. 18. 19. 20. Last 10. Come on. 9. Ngatanga lego. 8. 7. Beautiful. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Liza's mama push your body little back. And 1. Gently. Mathakta khongdo. Relax. Okay. Khud animal thangat se mayam. Take both the hands up. Khud animal thangalo. Turn on the right side. Right side ta turn to se. And khong animal straight oraga. Exhale. Go down. Pura relax. Khud animal se. Makada. If you are not reaching the ground. Chalega. 1. Okay. 2. Feet animal pura firm. 3. Relax your shoulders. 4. Anjulika nice. 5. Neck to pura relax. 6. Shoulder absolutely relaxed. Pushpa nice. 7. 8. Bonish video on toro. 9. And 10. Gently come back up. Mathaka khalase. Aduga turn on the other side. And practice the same thing. Pashva Uttanasana. Come down. Shoulder pura relax. So thing baya de pakat pe adeko. It is not a competition. We are trying to learn. Tam sena to buninga sinatra. It's not a competition. Khang draga sudum hang bayani. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sunena, look at your toe. 7. Look at your toe. 8. Spine to straight. 9. Lengthen your trunk. And 10. Gently come back. Up Gita ke dore. Amuk tause. And amuk laisi ko. Right side ta amuk tause ma'am. Come down and go down. Right side ta amuk chalo. And relax. Okay. Stay here. 5. 4. Ritika. Nice. 3. Very nice. So thing daba. 2. Shoulder do push tok daba. 1. Ma'am loin mamangi front knee do kitang bend to se. Right knee do kitang bend to biro. Right knee ko bend karo. Aduga khud ani mamang da kitang thangalo fingertips ta. Aduga khong oido. Take it up in the air. Lift it up. Khong oido lift toro. Yes. And lift your chest up. And stay there. Tanya mathak mamang diengo. 1. Very nice. 2. 3. Point your toes. Beautiful. 4. Anjulika emphasis tore. 5. 6. Point your toes. 7. 8. 9. Tanya Lashram. Very nice. 10. Stay there. Like Koko. 11. 12. 13. 14. And slowly come down. Tap na. Angang gini na kitang kan na tawag ko. Inhaling. Come back up. And we turn on the opposite side. Okay. Exhale, come down. Anita, so don't practice to say, come down and relax. Think by jam, Anita, you can practice. All right. Bend your front knee. Front knee do kitang bend to say. Aduga, kut ani mamang thangalo on the fingertips. Aduga, yet ki khong do thangalase. Yet ki khong thangalo. Lift the chest up. Very nice, Sunena. Nabay ni kaung na gano. 1. Lift the chest up. 2. Kana ba yade? 3. 4, 5, 6. Gita, nice. 7, 8. Struggle to ko just. Gita, mamang di yengo. 8, 9, and gently come down and relax. Come back up and easy. Ha! Sina ko yi warm up de. Adu warm up say ne record to ne dum practice to. Me am lo yai ko. Amka to sira. Tinggalak pada purak posi awal ko. Okay, all right. Okay. Dagidi ako student tamo okay. Lisa, you're okay? Lisa is fine. Come on. Okay, Lisa, Surya Namaskar. Said ahum khaktang to si ko. Ako yi Surya Namaskar. Khel chana mat to kitang slant oina thamo. Kitang slant. Okay. Aduga मैं am लोइन मगी यंग Surya Namaskar से खजिक तंग खेना मने दो अकोई हाने सो तो गरे सी class तक को. Come. Okay, fit together. Dum pulak tong minasi ani. Khud ani do namaste da thamo mamangda. Namaste. This is your neutral position. Okay. Anjulika spine do straight toro. Khong ani do samjan halo. All the 10 toes are fixed to each other. Body pura straight. Tarasana ko. Inhale, come up. Khud ani magthangalo. Mathakti yang kakano. Mamangda dum yengo. Mathakti yang katana. Just look in front. Open your rib cage. Akoy ki rib cage to hangdok se. Akoy tummy push out to bunataba. Exhale, come down. Very nice. Okay. Jerk out the natap na. Right leg to maning the thang se straight, parallel to the ground. Right leg back, parallel to the ground. Lift the chest up. Right toes on the ground. Left leg at the back, high plank. Plank. The thumb se meam. Parallel to the ground. Okay. Knees on the ground. Chin and chest on the ground. Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhaling, mamang diyeng se Bhujangasana. Mathakta yeng ba yade mamang diyeng se koloin ma. Exhaling, go back, mountain pose, fit together, Parvat Asana. Okay. Aduga right leg to khud anigi karakta. Take the right leg in between your two palms. All right. Left leg, Rupa Hygropsum, nice. Inhaling, come up. Mathakta kakala se khel chandra. And come back, Namaskar. Second round degi laila anika. Aduga don't be confused. Naktang mu yeng suka sukai de. Inhale, go up, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Makhada Kumdharo Gita, Hasta Padasana. Left leg at the back. Exhale, inhale, left leg maningda. Exhale, right leg maningda. High plank. Ko. Knee down, knees animak makhada, chest makhada, chin makhada. Inhale, mamang diyeng se come up, Bhujangasana, cobra pose. Exhale, mountain pose, fit together. Inhale, left leg mamangda, dono palm ke beech mein. Exhale, right leg mamangda, forehead to the knee. Inhale, come up, hands behind the ears. We are back in Namaste. Okay, ma'am, amtang last ki se amtang yeng siko. Hausi ki amta practice tog dana. Okay, Lisa's mama and all of you just take a look. Amtang yeng ko. Khilchandra, ngak thanga pudo amtang yeng han se ko. Ma'am practice tog dana amtang yeng se. Inhale, go up khel. Mamang dudum yeng o matak yeng kalo ne khel. Sida matak yeng khat pigano ba. Mamang dudang yeng o. Okay, matak yeng alan ba nataba. Koi ne practice story se mamang yeng bagi Surya Namaskar ne ko. Aduga exhale, come down. Koi ne nungti ki practice tog badi kitang kena bor masuyai. Okay, amtang yeng se practice tog dana. Okay, right leg piche khel. Right leg to maning dilawro. Aduga khel jana nang to thangalu ne. Spine to guno haba. Shoulder to pura relax. Mamang de yengo. Shoulder to relax to godaba. Left leg piche, high plank. Okay, knee down, chest down, chin down. Very nice. Inhaling, come up. Bhujangasana, di cobra pose. Okay, aduna mamang de yenga daba. Adu koigi shoulders yam naragadi khud se straight ohen besuyai. Khelchandra khud to straight ohelo. Sisuyai ko. Mathak de yengone khelchandra. Mathakti yang kakragadi si se upward dog bhujanga oidreba aduna si practice to usta bhujanga da layo khel bhujangasana cobra pose khel chandra. Come back and go back into the mountain pose khel chandra stuck tore and come back. All right. We're all good. Khajitang yan tare ko set ani maga amtang practice tau se duga dum yan tarani. Ai ga tau se mai se ken tong from mal. All right, come. Hands in namaste, namaskarasan. Inhale, we go up, hasta uttarasan. Exhale, makhada, hasta padasan. Right leg paninda, lift the chest up. Left leg paninda, high plank. Knees on the ground, chest chin on the ground. Inhale, mamang daying se, bhujangasan. Exhale, mountain pose, parvatasan. Inhale, right leg se, khud ani karakta, lift the chest up. Exhale, left leg mamangda. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come back. Yan tayo ko. Okay, खेल चलते चलो लेफ्ट साइड तमु तो से नंग दो stuck तो होगा हाँ okay come hands in namaste खेल left side ता मैं हमको inhale we go up हस्त उत्तनासन okay कहीं तो पाखतना जग या उधर practice तो से हम इंग न तब ना exhale come down हस्त पदासन so कहीं तो we don't need to hurry left leg maning da lift the chest up right leg maning da high plank sunena very nice high plank, okay. Knee down, chin down, chest down. Ashtanga namaskar. कोई सी कोड गिनी को. Inhaling, आगे देखे, looking in front. Exhaling, mountain pose, parvat asan. Inhaling, left leg to feet ani की कारकता. Exhaling, right leg to feet ani की कारकता. palm ani की कारकता. Sorry. Inhale, come up, hasta uttanasan. Come back, namaste. Okay, last set, I'm tanga tong siko body pura warm up oina ba. Inhale, we go up, hasta uttanasan. Exhale, we come down, hasta padasan. Inhale, right leg piche, lift the chest up. Exhale, left leg piche, high plank, very nice. Wangkem nando, yang present ore. Knee down, chin down, chest down, ashtanga namaskar, beautiful. Inhaling, looking in front, mamang daying se, bhujanga asan. Okay. Exhaling, go back, mountain pose, parvat asan. Mountain pose se. Inhale, right leg aage, dono palm ke beech mein, very nice. Exhale, left leg aage. Inhale, come up, kaan ke piche haath. Exhale, come back, namaste. All right, left side, last time. Yahan present tawari tamo si sidun thamjage ko spotlight se. Inhale, we go up, hasta uttanasan, khud ani thangat se. Exhale, we come down, hasta padasan. Inhale, left leg maningda, lift the chest up, ashwasanchalan. Exhale, right leg maningda, high plank. Knee down, chin down, chest down, ashtanga namaskar. Main loin present tawre. Inhale, looking in front, bhujangasan. Exhale, go back, mountain pose, parvadasan. Inhale, left leg aage, lift the chest up. Exhale, right leg aage, next to the left foot. Inhale, come back up, very nice. And come back, namaste, namaskarasan. Yes. Ha. Okay. Koi loin makham se makhada. Let's sit down. Okay. Khel Chandra, halasan paschim uttanasana amtang tausi ko. Ai hana amtang utke du ganang na takpiyo ba. Okay? Mayam han amtang yeng si ko. Koi na halasan paschim uttanasana tau bung matamda angang nupi loin na nupa nupi akoi furit se sida tagin tau biyo man. Koi na maning mamang tau matamda mai da tarak na. First of all, hana yeng se adu gum tau mina si ko. Practice तो उन्होंने बहुत तंपी करनी सीखी पश्चिम उत्तानासन सीधा हम inhaling exhale माइक उम्र पसीदा नहीं मैंने पुश तो वीगन होगा कोई ना आयो को मफम दो बाव दंग लेके ओके अंदर की सीधा लेनी then I go up then I come back तब ना then the force तो वही आते को सीधा 시당에 오래 해주고 싶어야지. 시에 오래 할 수 없는 거래. 뭐 아주 force 한테 야고야 돼. So when the this is 1 come back 2 Come back. Sunday one side na. Mana? Tara kan sila. Tam to view ko. Koy mid back to nara kani. Yam tap na. Yes, nena correct. Aina Paschim Muttanasan Halasan hain haige. Kara amadi halasan to bumatamda a maning yog the bus yawn ever could say kong say shim to kai deko. Quid angamba kaktang to say. Yamna hensina toroga di mid back na by orkani. 8 minutes. Please give recording permission for attendees. Recording pura tawre permission se attendees ki command people no khangdre. Aina record toroga dum link thajar ke yani. Okay. Come, let's start. Inhale, take a deep breath, put the hands up. Exhale, come down. Paschim Muttanasan, everybody. Exhale, go back to Halasana. Hal Asana. Angam bakhak to say. Inhale, come back up. Paschim Muttanasana. 2. Exhale, go back to Halasana. Inhale, come back to Paschim Muttanasana. 3. Exhale, go back to Halasana. Inhale, come back to Paschim Muttanasana. 4. Exhale, go back to Halasana. Surena, touch the foot on the ground. Inhale, come back up, forehead to the knee. Exhale, Halasana to upatam dene. Surena gidi khong do maning the ingo sundaran to ishingo. Halasana pura full tawo. Nangamni yani. Ko. Inhale, come back up, forehead to the knee. Last one. Exhale, go back to Halasana. Go back to Halasana and relax. Come back, Khel. Aduga, pumse. Tumina. And relax. Khel Chandra, can you turn towards me? Okay. All right. May amse tum pulak to minasi ko. Tum pulak to minasi. Ay natage. Ado na parani. Kay chakre. Okay. Okay. May amsi Khel Chandra dadana pamisi uikolo inma. Okay. Udraga su dum maraktane koigi noigi screen gi makhada chat ena ma iramgani chat to da dum iro udre tadre aduga phajana yan ta udre haiba su dum hangba kashim ta kaide ko aduga question yam hangbiyo right leg fold to Khel fold the right leg everybody fold the right leg nang dokitang slanting when ulo su kashim kaide mo khazikang slanting yes okay right leg fold to rolo en mak aduga khud ani magna right foot to pakro and make the right leg straight. Right leg say pura straight yamba yobungam the mi yarong gani kashum kai de dum khatang bend ta holo. Okay? Aduga shoulder do pura relax to say. Shoulder pura relax. Rupa Hygrism toes towards the sky. Okay? All right. 1 मैं am doing mag toes the yang say 2 shoulder relax toro sunena aduga chest to lift up your chest. Relax your shoulders and lift up your chest. 2 Ritika to the yengo 3 Ritika very cute 4 5 very nice 6 Ritika toes the yengo 6 7 8 9 and 10 ma'am Luinamak take the toes in the center of the chest toes do center of the chest spine do pura relax to okay amra take that feet thoda sa upar in the center of your chest okay aduga toes do try to take it towards the chest shoulder do pura relax okay and koi IT band niko 1 take it up Rupa Hygrism very nice Anita nice 2 okay Anita koi toes do na chest from the chanchin dio 3 yes 4 elbow to mathak ta kitang haigat pio 5 elbow mathak ta yes 6 7 hip open to riniko 8 9 10 tamo very nice tamo mamang diyeng say 11 kung do kitang lift up to wheel 12 Yes. 13, fantastic. 14 and 15. Adu Khel Chandra, nangi toes do take it up in front of your forehead. Forehead ki mathakta, toes do thangalo Khel Chandra. And stay there. 1, ha. Sunena nice. 2, 3, angam bagtang ching se tamo. 4, ko akoy na amamang dalaga su kasum takay de. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gently come down. Akoy khong yet se yet lom the thangdok piro. On the right side. Ha. Right hand se hook the right toe. Okay. Akoy size spine like that ko. When she spine parent bhi khong from thangdok piro. Right hand na hook the right toe. Left hand can't you. She's from thangat na taba. Hip on the ground. Smile na tak placing. Parallel to the ground, stay there. So, pura handol. Okay? Right hand na, hook the right toe. Koi khud yet se na, kung yet si toes smile hook karo. Aduga, take. Take it. Okay, neck relax. Yes. Tago look into it khud to. Matlab ki smile straight ohen diyo. Smile bend to diyo. Pura straight ohen diyo. Ha. Stay there. 1, 2, Khel Chandra, come on. 3, 4, Sunena nice. 5, Yeng Sika. 6, 7, beautiful. 8, 9, 10, Tanya nice. 11, Rupa fantastic. 12, everybody nice. Lisa, come on. 13, 14, Lisa, take the hand above your ears. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, come back up. Okay. Khel Chandra som doon chalo. Angang miyam ngambring si ko. Aduga ahan sing ngamdraga su kasum takay de. Ngasay gi right calf to. Ngasay ko na right calf to. Calf hay di ko khubom hay tare ko. Ay hanam tik tak sige. Sige right khubom se shoulder mo kasi thangga ko ngambring. Left hand se na smile hook to biro. And take it. Ngam. Khel Chandra, आई तक के कॉक्स मैं ना तब वो दिया चलेगा that's good सुनेना nice चलेगा खोंग दो पूरा straight ओ hello okay calf on the shoulder अदुगा left hand से ना to the hook right hand down 1 2 smile 3 Tanya very nice 4 I will win ma 5 okay aduga shoulder kane calf kadum thamo si hamdu thado ko kurani mama khada thamo kuch khung si yale thamo ko khung oisna ankle on ankle okay aduga kutto khazai tang bend tawro aduga lift the body up body thangal natraga toes makha taloi thambe ai natraga toes kutang thangal and come back wait am tege take ko मैं am teng phamo take all right practice to don am teng ying si ko right calf to shoulder to thumb gare toes here spine le ko sidagi di akoi khong se spine khada biro koi calf sida shoulder to hook to re ko khutani mo makha da khong oisina ankle on ankle ko aduga all the 10 toes makada main makada to yeng biro hip se thagat biro ngamagadi sisu thagat biro ngamdragana sirum thambiro yam the line ngamme hargadi from side la siri kona to si ngam just lift up to budang hana tambi se ko ankle ukatake ankle on ankle and just toes on the ground lift the hip up and hip to thagal ko do khotang hana taksi okay try to say kai to si wrist se Khel Chandra nang aya ba shoulder hom degi try to yagadra yaroi da boy di che to ge okay amu to mine se di khoi myam ko ka ui ko clearly tamu se ni ali tamu lo kendro Tamunando, I think you guys are doing good. Calf on the shoulder. Left hand na, right toe se half se, right hand makhada. Okay, stay here. 5, Sunena nice. 4, angam makhanta uko. 3, it is not a competition. 2, 1. Akoi khong se thado asiko. Put the hands down, ankle on ankle. Aduga tap na khong tara se, toes tara se makha thambiro. Look at the floor and lift up. Elbow kitang bend tawar. Makha de mo mamang ni yeng no. So then lift up, lift up, lift up. Mamabra, stay there. 10, 9, 8, Tanya nice. 7, lift up. 6, lift up it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, come back. And Tanya ante lift up taro yenge. Calf on the shoulder, ankle on ankle. Makha diyeng ko. Mathak diyeng no. Ha, very nice. Very nice. Layo ko dum. And gently come back. Side to sudum yati yarni. No mo the prop toxin giro si. Si de so angang ani. Sunena, come on. Show me. Ha. Doko ba ni magturo? Pull up toro. Come on, lift up, lift up. There you go. There you go. Ah. And very nice. Come back. Okay. Clap for yourself. Atay kana taugre. Ritika taubra. Lisa. Who else can do? Okay, come on. Lanchin ba? Chalo. Tausila. Calf on the shoulder. Beautiful. Ankle on ankle. Lanchin ba? Nakoy ba ni magtong ni? Ha. Nice. Makati yengo bungo. Makati yengo. Ha. Makati. Very nice. Very nice. And gently come back. Atay di ka na ngami? Ama khong maning da mathangat pa mayaw re kadano ma. Ha. Toro si toro yani. Ankle on ankle thamo. Ankle on ankle. Khud ani makhada thamo. Left ankle to the right ankle mathak thamo. Yes. Tama na. Yes. Chalega. Tamo kayo nam darsu yani. Kayo nam darsu yani. All right. Come back. Yare go. Okay. Left among tog se. Let's do the left side. Ma'am, no left side among tog se. Fold the left leg. Okay. Aduga khud ani magna left foot to. Pyro aduga make the left leg straight. Shoulder straight. Okay, hamstring hip open tawrini ko. 1. Come on everybody. 2, 3. Kheltan side degi tog se. 4. Thora sa side se dikhao. 5. Yes, thank you. 6, 7, 8. Shoulder down, chest up. 9, 10. Toe in the center of the chest, spine straight. 1. Lift the chest up. 2, 3, 4. Tamo nandu yang push to biru no. Aya ba kakting to se. 5. IT bendo kitang tight over ni aduna ni. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take the toe to the forehead or the heel to the forehead. Okay, so then anang di heel do. Nakuk matag thangalo yani. 1. Sida mayare 2, 3, 4. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gently come back. Beautiful. Tamo lokendro tamo okendro dum thambiune husiki dumaina. Heel on the forehead. This is good. Sicha mai tamo gi si IT bend se pura open to wine basi ko. Side IT bend haidi and come back. Beautiful. Sigi side se pura open to wine. This is also a part of your hamstring. Barabar? Okay. All right. Khelchanda left leg outside. Left hand dagi hook the left toe. Right hand kaan ke upar se. Right hand kaan ke upar se. Stay there everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Gently come back up and relax. Okay? Ngasay same thing. Mayam do pull up the winner siko. 1 minute. Pabong. Pabong. Okay, on the PO. Hotspot. Hotspot on the PO too now. Pabong, please, jaldi. Hotspot दे दो मेरे को प्राइमरी केयर का.
मैम कंटिन्यू
आके तो यारे यारे मैं मुट की बा. Okay, okay. Yaरे को. Clear in tabra.
मले मले भाई जी.
Ngats ako yung numin mga ni may mulo re kurai. Okay. All right. Okay. Kheljendra, now your internet is unstable. Kheljendra, take the calf on the shoulder. Any side. Calf on the shoulder. Okay. Ngasay tumay na left side tamu tog si ma'am. Okay. And look in front. 5, 4, 3, 2, adum lazy ko. And 1. Tangi mo me, adushu, and be here. Put it hamasi. Remove this. Ankle on ankle. And come up. Try. Ngam dress ko sukai de. Ngam dress ko sukai de. Just try. 1, 2. Tamo nando thoda sa mamang de kitang lean tawiyo. 3, 4. May chula eh. 5. Tamo mamang de kitang lean tawiyo. 6. 7, there you go. 8, Kheljendra shoulder do just take care. 9, and gently come back and relax. Now, tamo ankle on ankle tamo. Yung siko. Ankle on ankle. Mamang de kitang kayo do. Elbow do kitang bend tawiyo. Elbow. Aduga Chalega. Yare. As video tharake ya. Sije keno to win IT bend do kitang tight oy begine ba. Adu khar lega dum yar kani. Don't force. Yare ko. Okay. All right. Asing madi headstand gi matam se pura keno to gre khoi khajik tang angang myam chakrasan amtang to si ko. Sunena kai chakre. Tanya chakrasan amtang to si nang keno to ko dada se shoulder na bane. And Mayam se loin mak lie down on the back. Amtang hani yengi se tanya na to ko. Mayam se loin toromani hana. Okay. Tanya tam to sing ako toginu. Wait. Tanya wait. Tanya gi khud khong ani gi distance se hip tumaino sang mamana ba ko. Feet firm. Khud ani khong ani se amna firm ho geda ba. Adagidi Tanya gi khud to shoulder gi manak ta thammo. Keep the hand more nearer to the shoulder. Yes. Okay. Shoulder manak thamo. Nang nakakalak po matam dane. Thighs gi muscle lucigen na kakalok ko. Aduga, take a long deep breath and come up. Come up, Tanya. Yes. Very good. Feet firm. Okay. And I must sing thige ko. 1, 2. Angang mayam chakrasan to we are 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Lisa. 6. Aram se. 7. 8. Sunena. Very nice. 9. And kumdarak padane Tanya. Kok na kumdarak ano. Come down from the back of your neck. Neck ka piche se. Yes. And relax. Yan tare ko ma'am. Crown na kumdaro idaba. Sunena, you go up again. Sunena matakakalo. Chakrasanda. Okay, feet firm. Okay. Sila yedana. Aduga, layuko dum layuko. 5, 4, 3, 2. Nang nakumdarak pa dane. Kok to nakumdarak ano ba? Back of the neck. Come down from the back of the neck. Yes. Always to protect your neck. Okay. Aduga mozalag to tuni. Okay. Socks to buse kitang tugan bayaw bane. Okay. May amlo na umtang last aduga chakrasan se suppose ngamdaba akoy han yawre na khalas tamo sukan tawri se umtang yeng si ko. Come on. Tamo to siya Aram se. ये चलेगा, ये भी चलेगा. सिना bridge pose 2 sup ha setu bandasan B ko eba crown on the ground and come back. Khilchandra setu bandasan amtang tausine. Okay, amtang yeng ko mayam tawdana practice tawdana chakrasan ngamdabagi khoi option amtang pijage. We are here. Feet firm ko am practice tawdana amtang yeng si ko. Aduga ngasai mathak ta kaba ngamdragadi. Okay, push the hip up khil. See देखो normal setu bandasan bridge pose ले देना को तवा अदुगा hands next to your shoulder अदुगा इन तो उन्हें तबा crown कोई कोक सी खक्तंग मखादा तब ना थम्बी याम तब ना कोई chest से open ओहन बगी one that's it stay there very nice Lisa okay खेल nice खेल ना को तुम मखादा तुम थमो 3 मखादा तुम थमो मथक थम गनो 4 and gently come down. Si chakrasan gi muhut tawbe ai ko and relax. Tamo sim tang try taw sine. Tamo te ka chakre. Tamo lashram okendro. Just stay here. Ko agang class ta ma'am yaw ko sam nungai ansu and come back up crown. Taw si tamo no camera do kento pai gano yani aina dum segi dum control taw ni. Come up tamo ka kakalak se 1 2 3 on your crown. Hands next to your shoulder and come up. There you go. Fantastic. Stay there. 1, laying dana. 2, laying dana. 3, 4, 5. Very nice. 6, open your chest. Koi pura entire focus is chest ko. 6, cook down by adaba. 7, 8, 9. Gently come down. Beautiful, everybody. Lisa kai chakra Lisa Lisa come on give it nice chakrasan there you go Lisa start walking in chakrasan Lisa you walk in chakrasan come on okay come walk beautiful okay and walk back come back to the blue mat Aram se very slowly, no hurry. Okay, just enjoy. And beautiful. Come back. Nice. Ko. It was really nice. Okay. Oh, see, later record tharake. Aduga head sensitivity amdi thudi thumalaga da baduna ne. Ai singarang de kasi hojik mai lak padangai bagine. Tang Wi-Fi sik tang nungai ta. All right. Any question, anybody? Koi minute mari di lady. Adushu let's question answer. Lisa, Tanya, Geeta, Sunena, anybody? Question lay bro. Question laite. Question namtel. Adu di ngasi di na. Sawasan tau se mayam loin magko. Khel chandra na makada lay sumay na loin mag hip se. Mit pang thorok pa yada ba. Okay, khong ting tho su yare khwang naragana khong do konsal su yare khwang na ba mi gi di you can fold the leg khel jana fold leg tong nemta you can fold it if you want aduga khwang naragana nadragana legs out okay anu upamina anu tho su yani absolutely relax close your eyes tumin na lesiko yam lingning aga su ling ba ya de na khalo ngang myam ngaktang tumina laise na absolutely relax okay observe yourself koi ngasai na togi budu da ne aina darkar leitabadagi hena energy sizin nagibra sizin nadabra haido amtang yengo khwang de hena chingjanbra chest hena chingjanbra everybody just relax absolutely relax close your eyes palm facing the sky okay tap na aina chanting toroke ko chanting sida noida it should calm you down don't get distracted leng dan laisi ko Sahana bhavatu Sahanau bhunaktu Sahaviryam karvavahai tejasvinadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Asto ma sadgamaya tamso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly, yam tapna, khom khutse tapna lengaba. And turn on the right side, mityadum kujansiko. And sit in any comfortable Sukhasan, Vajrasan, koi bhi posture, koi yam comfortable oiba mongda. Eyes still closed and slowly forward bending towards the front kale. Both the hands out, relax your shoulders. Tapna Vairagya Bhava. Akoina angam bagoi ngasi taujere ko mathangda amuk fazana taujage hena sida pura Vairagya. Give up how much you have done. Ko no forceful practice. Yamna bahut narmi se practice and gently come back up. Ngang mayam ko. Rub your hands and cup your eyes. Open your eyes inside the palm and gently remove your hands. Okay. Naba yaroga sudum haibiro ko akhoi ahamba tobunina tang I hope it's clear aduga kaina su share tawke ai kakada spotlight thamge kaka wants to say something don't report kaka
Ado angang sa nungay bro nungaram lagi se haigra anti ayusi are ai gidi nisni ai wife ki machi ki masana pini I am really I mean to say proud of you Priti, the way the confidence you had, you know, the way you control na angang mayam do you take them with you, you know. It was I mean it is I think God has endowed on you something, some quality. Madu nang na akoy Maitai macha adi Manipur segi fikra lam nang na Bombay chatna somehow you are an engineer, but you have enjoyed this art and the science of yoga, and nang na hujik mayam sida ulli bedo. I am sure moi at least 30 angang ade ahan yauri nando hoi oken hoi mang makung na bulle pi nga sai chakrasan
hoi ka
it was
yam nungai
something new adana noi masi India dagi hogiba akoi yamna chauthok chaninga oiba art and science ni, but one thing I'll tell you anybody can do exercise like Zumba, walking, badminton. So many other forms are there. But this is yoga is yoga. It is something quite different. I don't know. Mastage da kasai nange noige antine kasai thik riba man tadu thiba, you know, positive energy, that vibration, spiritual. Now the masidi 1 hour is the loinabag, the gamut of the plethora of this yoga haibang ponte na ngasai yoga je nungdinang way of life and a practice tormatamda you will be a transformed man, both externally, internally nang spirituality you will be closer to the Almighty. Nang je God fearing over miyama namana pabu nung shiva ma nang je oya kadoineba aduna Preeti and from the on behalf of the Patanjali Yoga Nongin group and all the participants, we are really grateful and we are looking forward. Samarak marakta kharagai nang chumaina takpi na moi myam se can motivate to haiba ai masigi namada suggest to. Thank you very much. I'm enthusiasm though it is something what should be short of in describing it. Thank you. Kana kana haining ba koi ki kalpana hoy adagi kenoge Amravati hoy Sagar di ude Amravati di hoy ado noi ate ai mi loi ni panning ge haining ba karge nang matam jil loi rabra
yani kaka yagini
ado onde moi de boy ba moi ado ne noi nganing ba ka ko ata
okay Kalpana ji
dan je yauri
kaka
Yang lainnya, ini pun home kalau dah ada. Aduh, anak kita tahu itu sih yang mengai. Aduh, ID halo. Halo. Tahu.
Thare
Kalau tu kita bahaya tadi. Hari dia ini kalau bahaya tadi, pemda orang tapi kau buci kerana mengai jawab. Kalau ada problem. Aduh, yoga sumjawab pada ini. Hani angin ngame, ayamba. Lo na ngamba buhaya re apa? Sari beton buhaya, mem Sunita lagi apa? Sasubas buhaya tahu lagi sumjawab jawab lagi almost ayamba. Cakra sanggum bata tanah ibarat saya itu mainnya. Mati akhirnya tahu lagi ngamba pernah sih tangga bangam dia. Dua ayamba na. Semuanya kau lagi bangam dia pak. Lagi. Ada mana orang yang tu ini orang ini apa? Ini ayu punya. Ada yang angang di sana pergi. Sudah nunggu sudah jauh mana saja. Thank you. Ada semuanya barang mereka sudah coba pak. Terima kasih.
Okay. Kamu kah?
Ini bagi dia isi meeting sama Rotary Club ki aku district level 1 meeting si like depung mga dena pare pun kare pawa. Ada ai partly sum yaw kan na ai masih sona kan isne attack to hendala ba. Piti tak chung ni boda. Ada kita yang kan da ai su karai dulu nang saya ai det mana hangi mamang saya itu pitina mana soto macam untuk udri ba. Nasi nak ke udah kan naga lek naga pak ka thangkat laga toropa mayam tu dia ai dia kurang ngau le kita ni kamai tu no.
Wah. Last namdu.
Subas sampai nampak saya angkat second kata ai untuk luis dia. Aina nungai jawab hajaba piti tak chung ni mai nungai ubeda. I appreciate orang bang kata. I tak sih nama kita kurang ngau lu punya ni. Kamai tu sidi. Dia mana kan ada kongsi tangkap naga sona pai naga untuk kita dia. Ang wonderful. Adu pada adu. Angang sing kita Pritina tambi macam dah. Kita full and account. Sis mana tahu bukan. Angang ini hidup keman dia tu kan. Equally macam tu puluh torok wanita. Adu bapa sama torok tu dia. Really wonderful. Thank you so much. Admire keep it up. Sebenarnya, memang betul betul kira tengah tahu ini. Angang sih dia pergi moral gusto biba kadupa pergi. Almaji kan naksin apa tamara je nahi betul. Naksin apa stage mer lahan gini hai betul. I really kind of confident on it. Thank you so much.
Thank you kak.
Mana suka morning kise. Sudah suka adum yakin berapa yang cin balai bra.
Laki demi laki deh yani
ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯉꯝꯃꯛꯀꯗꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯁꯦ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯠ ꯊꯪꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯕꯦꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯅꯝꯗꯅꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯦꯞꯈ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯅꯝꯗꯅꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯔꯅꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯈꯔꯦ
ꯃꯥꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯔꯤꯟꯁꯣꯠ ꯂꯧꯍꯧꯋꯦ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯏꯕꯨꯒꯣꯇꯣꯟ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯕꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯩ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯁ
thank you jam nungai je khre program do karigino haida
이봉호 동의 비디오 우브로 이봉호 동의 비디오시 우대네 마착도보
ngasai mate mo urami kaga aduga mong
살보도
hojik birangani sir ai ngasai kaino to ba op toraga ai observe toraga jengje ba ai
우직 주 스크린에 돌았대 우직 주 스크린에 돌았대 야래
돌아야 모이가 우도
ado kaino akoigi pretty yamna nungai je khre ngang singda smoothly akoigi kari haini jamna akoigi jamna flow sagi jamna chumna jamna tapna akoigi jamna mi haitare akoigi program conduct to bi khre ngang singju jamajana haidi to khre so we are very much thankful to you and your actually performance is incredible so mathang su matam chaba matam da thopi rangna ba request tawjeri thank you si haijani
thank you tania lashram nei question amala what is the meaning of vairagya bhav haina okay mayam desu dum vairagya bhav haise gasai vairagya haidi tania it's like kenoni bhava in which giving up haibanataba surrender ko koina practice tawba matam dane koi oza amana haiba don't use your strength koi isagi akan base sizinagano use your awareness use your presence ko adna koina practice taw matamna mu aga practice tawdaba namdana practice tawsindaba ko aduga ngasi je nang ngasai khongdo ngasi di khongje thangat bangamedana ko tanya hayeng kai gumba koina hakchang khar nungai taba numita khong thangat bangamdaba numit yauni ko adu numit da su class whole throughout the class you have to be just grateful ki ai ngasi je sigoi tawba ngamjare that is I'm very grateful to the nature I'm very grateful to the body okay aduni grateful surrender to vairagya bhava haidi mi amaga wari sanabada su ayuk nganta hogala pursu khoi mit se pangthok matamda vairagya bhava I'm so grateful that I'm alive today ngasi se ai hinge ko ai source holaga ai se hogala ai gi ima ipa loin lerame mamana nang chak thongdana khotana everything ready lerame you know but you should never stop feeling vairagya adu you don't take it for granted ko nungtigi laisi mathanda nungtigi chalolamni degi aw thong do koisu iye aw do nungtigi thongamni haibagi you don't take it for granted okay you have to be thankful you have to surrender and ko narmi ko thabak practice to bada finest fourth thing practice to bana tawa pura with a smile on your face ko vairagya bhava haidi attitude haibane ba it's koi namu for attitude ki ama class ama tawgrabane no mama tawse anga ngatagi okay anybody else so then I'm lift up everywhere I tharake ko video kasi video ge link ama semaga tharake khoi group ta
okay
aduga angang ma'am so dum noi dum yengba yani no sana sana practice to ido kamain to ge hai so dum yengba yarani hoi na ka yare ko du da
yare na diko haining ko kana su leitre ko Raje sorry koi joining drama
I am hiding janida
Comment feel to way how do you feel
oh oi madam nang sai da gi utti sing se khoi ichanu pi si de bang si di exercise tꯧꯗꯣꯔꯦ ꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯩ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯀꯣ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯟ ꯀꯥꯟꯇ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯈꯥꯡꯉꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯟꯒꯁꯦ ꯑꯁ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯃꯔꯤꯔꯛꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯆꯠꯄꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯕꯦꯝꯃ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯇꯥꯅꯤꯌꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯍꯪꯒꯠ ꯍꯟꯗꯥ ꯆꯠꯄꯒ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯁ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯤꯌꯝ ꯅꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥ ꯑꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯇꯧ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯁꯦꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯖꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯣꯔꯅꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯁꯨꯅꯤꯇꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯔꯅꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯝꯖꯤꯡ ꯂꯝꯇꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯔ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
Thank you.
ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯏꯟꯖꯤꯅꯤꯌꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯟꯗꯣ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक नत्रा
Kaka electronics ni
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियर अखोई इबुतोन खोई अखोई से इंजीनियर अनि यावरी मोय इंजीनियर ना अखोई की आयुक की जो इंजीनियर में पानरी इंजीनियर से मोयदी इलेक्ट्रॉन दा डील तौबनी को इलेक्ट्रॉन जे अखोई ना मसक उबनते अब अदु मसक उदबद मोयदी स्टडी तौबनीना मोयगी ब्रेन से खरा तोंगान बजानी दना एनीवे अखोई जो तुम ngamni dum होनसे याम नुगाय रे
Okay.
कना कना यारे को अंगांसिंग अदो
लोइलापदा अखोई डॉक्टर सुभाष की मोइबुंग तंग खोंगागदी हेना
Dula kai sakra.
डॉक्टर सुभाष मोइबुंग तंग खोंगिरो
कोइनी इसाई जो तंग मतियम तंग साल लगे अदुगा मोइबुंग
होय या
Hoi hoi hoi.
सुजेनागा अदुगा मोइबुंग खोंगागा लोइसलसे
हरे कृष्णा
तो बिरो
ओम शांति शांति शांति
माई तो याद रहे
म्यूट तौबा माले
Dati mic yada ba.
माई याद अब जानी अदो अरे फरे तो दी
Okay. Hello, go to orge didi. Kiltuna.